Hello, friends. How are you? Friends, well, we all know that who was able to do miracles, and when the miracles were done, how it was possible for Jesus to heal the eyes of others. He just rose his hand like this, and he was able to heal the eyes of those blind people. And how about us? When we come across such like a situation that we find that now this is high time that we have to take care of our eyes. First of all, my apology to my eyes that I did not take care of them properly, that I put them under lot of work, lot of stress, always reading, studying, doing this thing, that thing, but I did not move them from side to side, up and down, clockwise, anti clockwise. We did not bother to do conscious efforts on the fact that we are making use of the eyes, and therefore we have to take care of them also. There was no conscious care taken by me, at least on my eyes. But now it's high time and I have to do it. And therefore, but हमारा तरीका थोड़ा अलग भी है, और हम दूसरे की मदद भी लेने में कभी हेजिटेट नहीं करते. When we have to take help, we go and take help. Like there is a eye yoga center here in Saket in D block 181 in the basement. There's a very good center wherein we are able to do eye yoga, right? This is one thing. And the other thing is that what I would say is that we have to replenish our eyes with good diet, and if possible vitamin A by way of eye vitals. And also one more thing is that थोड़ा सहला के, थोड़ा प्यार से आँखों पे हम मेडिटेट भी करते हैं एवरी डे. माई मेथड इज़ ऑल्सो दैट आई close my eyes and I put my attention on both the eyes, and I bring that positive energy down to the eyes and I try and heal them. And needless to say, now this is a new project, but we will do it happily. And तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है. अगर आँखें हैं तो आप देख भी सकते हैं और मज़े में जी भी सकते हैं. तो इमेजिन करिए कि हम सब की आँखों में दम हो और हम सबकी आँखें हेल्दी हो, तो आगे आने वाली तस्वीर भी अच्छी होगी. कहते हैं तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है. ये उठे सुबह हो चले, ये झुके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले. तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है. तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है. ज़रा हंस के मुस्कुरा के नए प्रोजेक्ट पे पूरा फोकस करते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे. बट विल मेक इट मोर इंटरेस्टिंग ऑल्सो, नॉट डल एंड ड्राई कि हम खाली ऐसी बातचीत करें कि हमारी आंखें हमारे कान वो बात सुन के ही थक जाएं. हम उसको थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग बना के चलेंगे. जितने भी आँखों के गाने हैं सब बाहर निकालिए. ये आँखें देख कर हम सारी दुनिया भूल जाते हैं, या फिर कहें कि अखियों के झरोखों से. सो आपकी आँखें भी सुनती हैं. You can converse with whatever you want if you study them as an object. This is your body, and like you study anything else, you put your attention on the eyes. Iris है, retina है, macular degeneration है, या whatever it is, और आई बॉल है, या ऑप्टिक नर्व है, या एलजीएन है, या इमेज को देखना है. सारी चीज़ों पे गौर करते हुए धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ेंगे. एंड I'm sure that if we pay more attention, like every muscle, eyes are also outside. The brain is a muscle, but this is the outside, portion of that brain. But it listens to what you say to them. You tell them that you are healthy, you are good, we are taking care of you, don't worry about it, and it will respond better. I have every hope, and I'm so much thankful to all the appearances which are taking place in the process of our new project of getting us healthier and better eyes. And let's remain alert and vigilant on the fact that we have to keep ourselves this conduit in a way that we should be able to represent the best out of those infinite possibilities. This is also one of the possibility. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned, happy, healthy. And in living beings, I am consciousness. That's true. If you're conscious and if your guru is awakened, it goes, investigate the whole structure and puts in more energy where it is required. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay tuned, happy, healthy, and I'll see you tomorrow.